What's up, YouTube? Coming to you guys today with a video talking about some of my personal handguns, what I like, what I don't like, the good, the bad, and the fucking hideous. Stay tuned. First up, we got the HK45. I don't have enough good things to say about this gun. It has functioned flawlessly. I've never had a failure to eject, a failure to fire, a failure to battery, nothing. It has run flawless. Thousands of rounds through it. Can't say enough good things. Only downside, price tag. Comes a little pricey. This was just over $1,300 with night sights. Bought this on my 21st birthday quite a few years ago. Love it. Way too big to conceal carry in the summertime. Next up, we got the Point 45. This gun couldn't be more fucking hideous. This thing's probably better off just smashing somebody over the head with it versus actually shooting them. Obviously I kid. But it's so fucking top heavy. It feels like solid steel up top with a plastic handle, and it naturally wants to just lean forward. Fires well, under $200. It's a fucking throwaway gun. That's why they're used for that, because it's... I wouldn't recommend trusting your life with this gun. If you got a little extra money to spare, why not? It's a novelty. Third on the list, Springfield XDS 45. This was my second 45 handgun, and I love this thing. I've heard mixed reviews. A lot of people don't like it. A lot of people have gripes with it about the grip, the fucking functionality, whatever. I put the extended 7-round magazine on it because I do have big hands, so the natural one, my pinky and my index, or my ring. On the traditional, my pinky and my ring finger hang off the edge. Kind of don't like that, so again, 7 rounds, not a lot. 45, got some stopping power. Your choice. Very good gun all around. Nothing but good things to say. Fourth on the list, we have the Ruger LCP 380 Max. This is a newer one I picked up. I love 380s, and the reason for that is it's a pretty universal caliber in that a man or a woman can easily pick that gun up and fire. Whereas a 45, a lot of women may not like the amount of recoil. 380 does still have recoil. It's a little snappy, for sure. But if you got a good grip on it, this thing's a very, very accurate handgun. You got the double trigger safety, and that's about it. This one holds 10 rounds, and again, it's functioned flawlessly. Nothing but good things to say. Now I got the Ruger LCP 380, not the 380 Max. Slightly different gun, very similar though. The 380 holds 6 rounds, the Max holds 10. Very similar functionality, similar everything. Doesn't have a safety. Doesn't have the double trigger safety. Yeah. This one's grip's a little smaller, so it's a little snappier and a little harder to control. That's ultimately why I got the 380 Max, and you got 10 bullets compared to 6. Your choice. Last, and definitely fucking least, is the Diamondback 380. Now everybody talks about how this is a Glock sister company. It's a Glock at heart, it's a Glock. I gotta start by saying this might offend you guys, but I don't like Glocks personally. Not a Glock guy. Not because America, whatever. As I said, HK45, that's my go-to handgun. Because we both know the Germans make better shit than us. Unfortunately. HK45. Back to the Diamondback. I don't think I've successfully had one run at the gun range where this gun has not failed in some way. Being a failure to eject, failure to fire, failure to battery, whatever. This gun is absolute fucking garbage. And when I realized I couldn't dare trust my life in the hands of this gun because it literally jammed every time, not exaggerating, that's why I picked up the Ruger LCP 380 Max. Holds a little more. This guy holds 6, holds 10. This is just like the 380. But the 380 doesn't suck. This does. If you have the chance to buy a Diamondback 380, I would recommend you run as far as you fucking can. Save the money that you were going to spend on this and buy this piece of shit. Which, again, is a piece of shit. But it fires. That's the caveat. It actually fucking fires. This one, not so much. Maybe keep your distance. Bought this used, go figure, at a gun store years ago. It was 200 bucks. Never shot it before, never heard of it, but they preached that it's Glock's sister company. It's gotta be great. It's a Glock. Couldn't be further from the truth. Run from this thing. It's not a Glock. As much as they want it to be a Glock, Diamondback may be Glock's sister company. Again, not a Glock guy. This thing couldn't have been more of a letdown. And all this is at this point, it sits on my shelf. It's a paperweight. That's about it. Don't even keep it loaded because you're gonna hurt yourself trying to fucking shoot it before you would be able to defend yourself. As always, guys, just wanted to bring you guys my input on these guns, different ones that I own, what I like, what I don't like, and yeah, let you guys take it from there. With that being said, don't buy a fucking Diamondback 380. I'll see you guys next time.